The last part of this leaking shower fix is to seal the tiles and grout with a penetrating sealer. G'day, welcome to Inspired DIY, I'm Kent. Instead of that expensive job of ripping up the tiles to replace the membrane, we've replaced the grout, sealed in a new drain. Now we're going to seal around the tiles and grout with a penetrating sealer in an attempt to get all that water going down the drain and not through the old cracked grout into the floor. For this job I've chosen an Australian product called Seal. It has great reviews on performance and price. I've bought a litre of Premium Plus sealer for $60 from the local landscaping place. It was important for me to choose a sealer that has a natural finish and it doesn't change the appearance of the tiles or grout, and most importantly protects against moisture intrusion and stains. By the way, this is not an ad for Seal. I get no kickbacks whatsoever for promoting this product. Stay tuned to the end of this video for my honest take on it. I used masking tape around areas that I didn't want to get any sealer on, such as the taps and the shower frame. Before you start applying the sealer, make sure that your tiles are clean and stain free. Give it a shake. You can apply this stuff with a brush, a roller. Wear gloves if you think you're going to get it on your hands, and if you're going to spray it on, make sure that you wear the right safety gear, at least some glasses. I'm going to start with the walls so that I can stand on the floor tiles, and then I'll move down to apply the sealer to the floor to finish the first coat. These tiles won't absorb much as they aren't porous like the grout, but they have micro pores and it won't hurt. I'll wipe off the excess from the tiles after each section is done. So my focus is making sure the grout is sealed. Here's a trick. If you shine a light at a low angle across your tiles, you'll be able to see where you've missed. Apply your second coat after 2 hours, wiping down any excess with a cloth. Using this product undiluted will give you between 8 and 40 square meters of coverage. Of course that depends on how porous the surface is that you're sealing. This 1200 by 900 shower with 3 walls, it used 500 ml, half a litre, and that's doing 2 coats. This is a water-based product, so you can wash your brushes out in water. Once you've done your second coat, wait at least 8 hours before you walk on it again to remove your masking tape. Ideally give it 24 hours and then you can use your shower as normal. So 6 weeks later, with the shower being used twice a day, there's no moisture, there's no leaks, the floor under the shower is dry. The reassuring thing is that there's no more water damage to the house and there's not a trace of mold. So I feel like that was a success. If you like this video or you found it helpful, subscribe and join me at Inspired DIY for more how-to videos. We'll see you there.